Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. So we have Half Alive here with the song called Make of It. So very easy to play here. We have 4 chords that go round and round, and we have a capo here on the first fret, and we will be ready to go. So let's learn the chords first. The G, so 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Then we have this A sharp here. You need to bar all strings from the A string and down, so 5 strings there on the 1st fret, and the rest will be 3rd here on the D string, 3rd on G, and 3rd on B. Then D minor, that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. And the final chord will be F. So you bar all strings here on the 1st fret, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Yeah, when we know these chords, now we need to learn a strumming pattern that will work for the entire song there as well. So it will be down, up, down, down. So if we illustrate here with the G, that's the 1st chord. Down, up, down, down. Down, up, down, down. Down, up, down, down. So you will play 2 times 2 strumming rounds for each chord. So 2 G, 2 A sharp, 2 D minor, and 2 F. And so on. You want to speed up a little bit more, so if you want to have this standard tempo, it will sound something like this. And you know what, guys, that is actually covering this song here called Make of It, because it goes like this through the whole entire song. So have fun, play with it, and see you soon. Don't forget, guys, play tuned.